friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and we are going to do a penny challenge update. This is going to come out just a few days before Christmas, I believe, so Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates. I did a bill condensing before I did this, so this may seem a little bit out of order once you see that, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. I may not be on my game. It is a hot mess over here as normal. I am always a hot mess. Oh, there's extra, but okay. Like I said, I'm a hot mess. I'm getting ahead of myself. I am going to organize my change and we'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Let's go ahead and count up what we have for change. Hopefully the glare on that isn't too bad. So there's 5, 10, 11. $11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So, and then 25, 26, 27 cents. So we are working with $16.27. And I'm gonna be smart about this and write it down this time, $16.27, because I am going to go ahead and put this away. Okay, there we go. Let's get everything over here. We are starting at $2.79. Let's go ahead and count this down and fill it out. I am going to try and squish you in. See if you can make more of this out. Okay, so hopefully I don't cut it off with my hand. All right, 1627 minus 279. Minus 2.78. Minus 2.77. Minus 2.76. Oh my goodness, and we're going to be done with another row this time. That's pretty good. We're finishing a row once a week, it seems like, recently. So 517 minus 2.74. All right, we can't start the next row, but what we can do, let's get my off-colored one to do my random amounts. We are going to color in 2.43 is what we have left over. Right, so we are starting off brand new with a new row next week. So that is all I have for the penny challenge this week. Again, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas season with your family and friends. And until the next time, thanks for being here. Bye.